So this is just a quick demonstration on how you can link and unlink branches in the Jigit Development Panel. So you can do this for any integration, whether it's Gitlab, Github, Github app, or Azure DevOps. So we will link our branch in Github, and it can be any branch you choose. And you can now see the link here. It's now listed in your branches, and if you click it, it'll bring you straight to the branch in question. So you can also link for Azure DevOps or Gitlab. We will just link a branch from Azure DevOps, and we can see it here. And again, if you click it, it'll bring you straight to the branch in question. Perfect, we can see it there. And to unlink it, just click the X next to the branch, and they will be removed instantly. And that's it, a simple, straightforward demonstration on how to link and unlink branches in the Jigit Development Panel. Thanks.